This instructional video is designed to show you how to use what we know of colligative properties, particularly boiling point elevation, to answer a question about a solution. We have 5 grams of mothballs that were dissolved in 100 grams of ethyl alcohol, or ethanol. And we have a new boiling point for the solution. We're given the original boiling point as well as the boiling point elevation constant. And the question becomes, can we determine if the mothball is made of camphor, which has a molecular weight of 152 grams per mole, or is it naphthalene, which has a molecular weight of 128 grams per mole? So the first thing we want to do then is determine the change in boiling point. So we take the original temperature and subtract that from the new higher temperature, and we find that we had a change of 1/2 degree Celsius. Now we need to find the molality. So our molality then is going to be the boiling point elevation divided by the boiling point elevation constant. This is 0.50 Celsius divided by 1.22 Celsius per molal. So this gives us a molality that is 0.41. And our unknown substance, be it camphor or naphthalene. So the next thing we can do then is convert this to moles. We know that the units for molality are moles per 1 kilogram. So we want to get rid of the kilograms. We can use a conversion factor here, and then we simply multiply by the actual amount, 100 grams. So this then will leave us with just the moles. And we find that we have 0.041 moles of substance. Now, we know the number of moles of substance. We also know the amount of substance we had to start with. So we can take this quantity and we're going to divide by these 50 grams, and these 5 grams, and find out what happens. So we have then that 5 grams will give us 0.041 moles. And based on these units, this looks very much like a molecular weight. And ultimately what we get when we divide through is that we have about 122 grams per mole. Now this doesn't match up exactly with either one, but it's much more plausible to suggest that we have naphthalene than camphor. So because the two values, 128.19 and 122 grams per mole, are sufficiently similar, we will accept that the mothball is made of naphthalene.